Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla parking collision warning stops working and the potential problems that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, parking collision warnings may stop functioning, become unavailable, or fail to provide audible and visual alerts while maneuvering at low speeds, such as during parking or reversing. Drivers may notice missing proximity tones or distance indicators even though the feature previously worked. Core driving systems remain unaffected, but the absence of parking warnings can reduce awareness in tight spaces. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, parking assist configuration, software version, and operating conditions rather than indicating a universal system failure. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves sensor confidence limitations. Parking collision warnings rely on ultrasonic sensors or camera-based perception depending on vehicle configuration. If sensors detect reduced reliability due to dirt, dust, water, snow, ice, or reflective surfaces, the system may temporarily suspend warnings to avoid inaccurate alerts. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior calibration, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Software-related behavior is also a documented factor. Tesla software controls parking warning sensitivity, activation logic, and alert thresholds. After software updates, recalibration or background validation may be required before warnings resume normal operation. In some software versions, conservative logic may disable parking alerts if sensor data is incomplete or inconsistent. Electrical and system communication conditions have also been reviewed. Parking collision warnings depend on stable communication between sensors, control modules, and the display system. As a possible contributing factor, temporary communication delays, system initialization issues after startup, or low-voltage electrical conditions could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Environmental and parking conditions further influence operation. Steep driveways, uneven surfaces, metallic objects, or heavy rain can affect sensor readings and lead to temporary warning suppression as a safety precaution rather than a malfunction. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include cleaning sensors and cameras, ensuring vehicle software is fully up to date, and allowing time for post-update calibration if applicable. If parking collision warnings remain unavailable across multiple drives in normal conditions or warning messages appear, service inspection is recommended to review sensor diagnostics and system status. Reviewed information indicates that parking collision warning interruptions are not universal and often relate to sensor confidence, software control behavior, or temporary environmental and system conditions rather than permanent sensor failure. In conclusion, Tesla parking collision warning systems that stop working are generally linked to sensor confidence limits, software availability logic, or environmental and communication factors rather than a widespread parking assist defect. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate system evaluation and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.